IEBC.
Yes.
Tume ya nini? Ile ni tume ama nini?
Ni tume huru.
Tume huru ya uchaguzi na
mipaka.
Naam. Independent Elections and Boundaries
Commission. IEBC.
Yes. Karibu mahura majoro IEBC.
I think these days they don't invest a lot in advertisement and civic education.
Well, they should.
Which is very important.
Yes. It's very important to the maundu maigiandu magiago tutiririo ri nit matuhitukaga. Yes.
Riu kuma muthenya wa muthe tariki 29.
Yes.
Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni manajiriria national wide exercise ya kwandikithia aikia eru a kura. New eligible voters.
And they are quite a good number. Yes.
Ni nguroraga makiuga mana target kindu about 6.3 million new eligible voters
in the upward.
That's a target.
It's a swing vote.
No, that's a huge block.
It's a huge block if you think about it.
Million ithathatũ gũturuma rĩ.
Yes.
Icio nĩ kura ciena uge bũrũri-inĩ.
And if you're a national politician and you don't think that block will swing your side, you should be quite afraid.
You are actually not very serious in politics.
You are not. That's literally a national cake.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a target around 6.3 million. Aikia kura eru.
Yes.
Acio riu ni aikia kura aria magite ibande thutha wa githurano gia 2022. So they should be first time voters githurano giki kingi.
Kana mundu for some reason utari we yandikithia wikia kura.
For whatever reason.
To kuri andu akuru matari magia meaning ya wikia kura. Yes.
Riu in short the road to 2027 has just begun.
And on the road is the race.
Yes. The race has begun. You know, na tete andu ra makiyuta ti wega ni moi. Githurano kuhotana githurano ri.
Yes.
It's not an event.
It is not. It is a series of no,
it's a process.
It's a process.
Na riu yabagia ta haha.
It's like clockwork.
Yes. Nigetha ngoro ni he handu uraimu ikana he giti uraimu whether ni national, regional or local.
Yes.
Ukimenya riu haha andu aria ukiuga ni influencer kana aria ungigitarumiria kuri.
Yes.
Hidino kurandikithio kura. Make sure you have a block of viewers.
Yes.
Uramenya ni hotete kumaiguithia. To anu mambe meyandikithie kura.
Absolutely.
Tondu na magikwendete mateyandikithietie kura matinge guteithia.
Yes. Ona Genziza makoretwo you know very actively. They have the opportunity to now have their say. And Ramonia mathiete kuria kwa what is the name of that young man Kaluma Boy.
Yes.
That was very commendable. Very commendable. That was good work. It was a very positive cause. They went for a good cause.
Yes.
And mana support Kaluma Boy muno.
And that is the positive use of social media.
Absolutely. And young blood. Rumen opportunity ore ukwenda window no. Ya kuyandikithia na mateyandikithie ta aikia kura so that they can have their say.
Yes. Gwe kunegena bururi ni urathi wega kana ndurathi wega.
Yes.
Na gwe gutua itua.
Yes.
Na itua rigatuo na kura.
Yes.
To kuga tu.
Yes.
You have to be on the ballot.
Kura yako ni usemi wako. Yes.
Reu, if you want to have a voice and make a decision.
Yes.
No nginya ukorwo yandikithietie guikia kura.
Because there is certainly nothing like a vote that does not count.
Every vote counts.
Especially where we are moving.
Yes. Reu hari target ya 6.3. IBC target kwandikithia ta aikia kura. Of course political players must also do whatever they can influence as big as you can hari block weo o influence nigetha ukamenya aya ri ni andu akwa.
Absolutely. Na we be mutati ni ufati uko facilitate civic education ya andu kuyandikithia guikia kura. Yes. So I think there's also the window of modo genda gucenjia.
Modo renda go transfer kura yake. No rio ni ukuhavu guthie wabici cia IBC cia constituency kuria urakenda guthamira.
Oh, let me get this. Tare tuge ni ndi yandikithietie kura kama sharia. Yes. Na ndenda rä gå coka gå ikä kura yakwa Roiru.
Yes.
Rä u ngå thi Roiru kana gå thi kama sharia.
Gå thi Roiru kå u renda gå thamä ria kura. The constituency office.
Rä mere yakwa ä kama sharia ndenda gå guku
ndirenda guthamira guku ndirenda guthamira guku polling station yetagwo ng'ania nigetha ukiri include tondu ru marikia kwandikithia ikia kurero ni meguthondeka register njeru ya ikia kura
a new registry
an updated register ikiongererwo atene na aria mekwandikithie ru
well that is quite good ruhane okwaje kuigwa tatima kiwa kura citu cia gicagio na cia ithatũ nĩ ikũhĩtũkia mũndũ ĩtũ tware inyairo bitwathane kuo.
So that window is open.
There'll be all kind of politics, but it is a good thing. Andũ nĩ meyandĩkithie ta aikia kura because votes count. Yes.
Na harĩa registration ya ũikia wa kura kahingĩrwo.
Yes.
First step ya gĩthurano ĩgakorwo ĩndĩku.
Yes.
Step ya mbere.
Yes.
Ya gĩthurano. And this one is very critical.
Very crucial, critical.
Tondu atariu andu aria tuingitie kura maita maigana ona ari.
Yes.
You might not change a lot about how you perceive politics.
Yes.
Not a first time voter.
A first time voter can create a serious tectonic shift.
Yes. So it's a very serious block ya 6.3
million. Ndugathake na kura icio tondu ri president ahotana na kura cigana average.
President Ruto ari na kura cigana, was it 7.1
something there. Ida dorera hau muthoni
tondu Raila niwe wari na milioni 6 na kaundu hau uguo.
No cia Baba Fidel tinga wodia leo.
So kura milioni 6 tinini.
What does that tell you? It tells you cingethie block ine mweri.
Yes.
You know that is how heavy
you can change the country.
The whole exercise is. So and largely I think 6.5 issue raugari we are looking at a very big generation of the younger people. Amare eta Gen Z.
Na nera makigite ifande thutha wa githurano gia 2022.
Thank you. From this side muthoni nanyo ni President Ruto ari na 7.176 million. Raila tinga wodia lego ikati yona tonini atia.
No, they had a very meager difference.
6.942 million.
No wakiona kura 6.
Isi leo ndisi yoro cirata ile cirata nyo kwandikithio ri is more than what Raila got.
It's around the same figure.
Yes.
Difference ndoga kindu kura 300.
Go 6.5 ici ri cingĩũka ri ona nĩ cikiunanwo okindie kao nĩ akĩrũgama ũrĩa tũramenya nĩ
incumbent
nĩ ithe acarini mugathe president uyu ungi tutiuyu
tutire na uma kwa ihinda riri
ona tutue Matiang'i oke na icio 6.5 ona hari okaundu arauga
no that's a serious runner
kana rigathi gwikinya ni aikinya nginya haria
kugikinya maundu ni magathi uguo njire githere
kana president Ruto ri hari 7 points iri akunyirwo ta igiri haria uko mwena ucio kwina ciake igiri
okay on that end kuri ona dynamics so is tinga
yeah, but you get my point.
I get your point.
My point is 6.5 million votes.
Turauga buroko ya aikia kura aria eru makwiyandikithia.
Yes. Ingĩcuha mwena ũmwe.
Ingĩthi ũguo buroko. Ona nĩtũkiuge matigwĩthio the.
Na nĩ mathie milioni 4
kana 5. Yes. You see, that's a serious tilt in the matrix national politics.
No, it's a serious tip. Yes.
Any politician would want such a block.
Yes. And we are actually educating them right now. They might not give us the credit.
They never.
And they should. And
no,
they cut. No. Aria murekira siasa especially mara president. Those are the dynamics.
Yes.
Ruto ari na kura 7.176 million. Raila 6.942 million. And there is 6.5 million hali ogbo riko in the buffet.
The good thing na 6.5 no era target kwandikithio.
Yes.
Ni ati first time voters ni makorwo mari very excited guthie githurano kio kia mbere.
Yes.
So if you capture them,
you probably home and dry.
Yes.
Tondu riu ayage aya maikirie Ruto na Raila ri. Probably they will have, like you said, the kind of same.
You can study their behavior.
Yes. No ayero ri. Hapo sasa ndio keki iko.
How ri? If they hit that target here 6.5 million voters.
Yes.
That will be the swing vote.
Yes. It's kind of a cookie jar for any national politician or even a region.
Yes, even a region, of course. Turaki go horo counties ciothe.
Yes,
so ni ratiri go down counties, constituencies na ward.
Oh yes.
This is a very serious exercise.
Very serious exercise.
Dakwera hari ikarikira kwandikithio aikia kura eru.
Yes.
Reu strategist asiasa ri. They can now start sitting down.
Yes.
Na gwika ithabu.
Yes.
Tondu that will be the first step. Ya gukonkurudi githurano kiria kiroko gia 2027.
Absolutely.
Now no mutetie kagira ithabu.
Yes.
Kwaja wa president akamenya kani akahituka
kakari gathe acureka moto
no akamenya ndakwehera
ngera nigetha akaririo
ndagacine mbica
kana nigetha akaririo
bethe maikara thi meka analysis cia numbers.
Yes.
You remember the tyranny of numbers.
Absolutely. You see like Babu Owino kwenda rahostitwa ne wa kirumba njoro-ini ya kothi augie ni akire scientific research na akimenya ni akuria kundu kuri
ni akuria guku
ndamenyete kurugama ku no ekie research ya kumenya the voting trends in Embakasi East. Yes.
Riu kiari kama ikara thi ri you do an analysis of the numbers.
Yes.
No gagithima ukamenya giki ni kuria kana no kuingira ho ubangaize
kana gute. Yes. Na hiyo Gen Z, the young ones, jiandikisheni kupiga kura. Yes.
That is the only way your voice will be heard.
You see, you can come together. It's a wonderful thing. Muka hamwe moya kama odu tarumari wa Kaluma boy. That was quite commendable. Na nitu inomo kuita na maodo ini magi. But if you want to shift the decisions of this country, mwena moya kiosyo, jiandikisheni.
If you want to bring change,
no
ginya we andikithie ta muikia wa kura.
Absolutely.
That is number 1. Number 2, no ginya ukaumira guikia kura.
Yes. That is another thing. Neguo.
Kuyandikithia is one thing.
Yes.
Na guikia kura is another thing.
Absolutely. There is nothing like a vote that doesn't count.
Every vote counts.
Oh yes.
Now you know.
Now you're aware. You're in the news.
The road to 2027
that is of JKA
has begun. Mark this date.
Yes.
29th September 2025.
Oh yes. This yawaja kwa
it's neither here nor there.
Onero iteki.
Mugaturume we ari raki.
Ari thi waja koya.
Ugu ari nari ajomo kana thi.
Ai.
Ai ko aja ko ari na mana.
Ara mugaturume ari naki muthoni.
Agifaci haha ukire no horo wa ruku.
No ruku.
Na hiti
especially some he had a preference for male hyenas.
Na koinainia.
And he did a launch that looked like a reggae concert.
Now you know.
Now you are aware. We'll get you that statistic. Yes.